जय हिंद एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर फेवरेट रियल एस्टेट चैनल रियल्टर्स नेक्स्ट डोर। जन्नत तो मरने के बाद नसीब होती है, लेकिन अगर आप जन्नत का एक टुकड़ा जीते जी लेना चाहते हैं तो आज मैं आपको लेके आ गया हूं JVC में, जुमेरा विलेज सर्कल में, एक ऐसे शानदार अपार्टमेंट में जहां आप जन्नत में रह सकते हैं। दिस वन फॉर ऑल यू वॉच enthusiasts, for all you luxury enthusiasts, is an apartment by one of Dubai's most fine developers. The name is none other than Bengati. This one is a 2-bedroom apartment in the Jumeirah Village Circle, and the prices for the apartment start at about 1.5 million dirham. The best part about this apartment is that इस apartment की balcony से खड़े होके आपको बुर्ज खलीफा और बुर्ज अल अरब दोनों के नज़ारे देखने को मिलते हैं। Today is not a clear day, but there in my backdrop you will be able to see the magnanimous Burj Al Arab building, the Burj Al Arab building which is synonymous to Dubai, जो दुबई की शान है और उसकी जान है। यहाँ आपको मिल जाता है ये 1.1 मीटर डीप स्विमिंग पूल, जहाँ पे आप चिल कर सकते हैं, रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं और अपनी पार्टीज कर सकते हैं। This one is an open deck space where you can host people, have gatherings, sit around, take a dip in your pool and just make merry. So after this pool open viewing deck area, we come into the apartment and let me show you how this apartment looks like. Made by Bengati, this one is synonymous to luxury. So you enter the house. The moment you enter the house, onto the right hand side is your viewing deck and your swimming pool, and then to the left hand side is your kitchen. The kitchen space is around 120 square feet. In this you get all your white goods. When I say white goods, you get a hob and chimney, a microwave and oven, along with that a washing machine. So these are the white goods that are present inside your kitchen. Then we move out. As we move out, we have this beautiful drawing and dining area, perfect for a small family. The cabinets, the cupboards, everything are done up as you can see. And this one opens up into the balcony. The balcony has the views of the Al Khail Road. The Al Khail Road is the connecting road to this apartment. You can see engineered wooden flooring on the ground, wallpapers on the walls, along with some great classy wooden paneling and mirror work, which gives this drawing dining area a more enhanced look. The air conditioning, goes without saying, is central and is VRV. Bengati is a name synonymous to great and quick construction. One thing about Bengati is कि आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग ऑफ प्लान प्रॉपर्टीज लेना चाहते हैं, लेकिन 3-3, 4-4 साल वेट नहीं करना चाहते। अगर दुबई के बारे में रिसर्च करेंगे तो आपको ये पता लगेगा कि Bengati एक ऐसा वाहिद डेवलपर है जो 1 साल से 15 महीने के अंदर आपको घर बना के दे देता है। अगर आप Bengati ऐसा क्यों कर पाता है ये जानना चाहते हैं तो इंतजार करिए, अभी Bengati की ब्रांड प्रोफाइल और उनकी वीडियोस भी आने वाली हैं। सो दिस इज अ 2-bedroom अपार्टमेंट. From the public areas, we enter into this bedroom. The moment we enter into the bedroom, we have our washrooms. Come have a look at the sanitary ware and the appliances. The wet and dry areas are separate. What I personally love about this house is the use of black faucets. Black faucets make the house look even prettier, make the washroom look even grander. This one is the first one of the 2 bedrooms. Opens up into the balcony, and this balcony gives you the complete view of the Dubai skyline. Emirate Hills, Marina Bay, Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, everything is visible from this skyline on a clear day. When you are staying here at the Bengati residences, you not only get a great product but also get a great view from your apartment. So what about the house? The house is very, very well done up. Like you can see, the mirror is here so that you don't waste extra space for your vanity, and the cupboards are designed in such a way that the family can easily place their stuff inside. Sliding doors have been given to the cupboards to reduce the waste of space. These sliding door cupboards open up both ways And as you can see, you have lockable drawers, you have lofts, you have stacks where you can place in your stuff. The ceiling height again is a clear height of about 12 feet. You can see all your switches are electric and are smart switches. Then you move into your second bedroom, which is also the smaller bedroom of the house. Connected again to the balcony, this one again gives you the towering views of Dubai and its skyline and its views. Now ये देखिए, water front view मिलने वाला है आपको इस प्रॉपर्टी से. जी हाँ, water front view. These views are something that nothing compromises for. This one is the smaller room. Beds, side tables, cupboards, everything is placed in, and you can see nice, smart, classy paneling, and you can also see a lot of Dubai's beautiful skyline from this apartment. Bingati is a name which is synonymous with construction. Let me tell you that Bingati, before starting its construction journey, used to provide construction material to all the developers in the MENA region. Bingati is known for its quick turnaround time when it comes to delivering properties. So for all of you who are looking to get capital appreciation along with quick rentals, there's only one name that you must go for, and that's Bingati. Here in JVC, Bingati has many projects coming up, and if you're interested in something that has a pool like that and a view like that, let me know and I will surely hook you up with Bingati's premium properties. To end this video, I would like to go here back to this pool area and tell you कि जनाब, जन्नत ढूंढने वालों को ये नहीं पता कि जन्नत मिलती है मर के. जन्नत ढूंढने वालों को ये नहीं पता कि जन्नत मिलती है मर के. लेकिन अगर तुम्हारे पास है 1.5 मिलियन दिरहम, तो आ जाओ यहाँ बिना डर के और हम आपको जन्नत जीते जी दिखा देंगे. This is Gurgaon's favorite realtor and now making his mark in Dubai, Chetan Kaushal, saying Jai Hind and bye-bye for today.